My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be walking you around our 2024 Ford Tourneo Custom. Just under 46,000 miles, automatic transmission and diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can see that we have 9 seats, all of which are full cloth. On our steering wheel we can access cruise control, voice control and hands-free cooling. On our screen we have Apple and Android CarPlay, driver assistance and 5 different driving modes. We also have navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a rear parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Towards the bottom of our screen we have our AC with heated seats on either side. If you would like any more information about the vehicle or you'd like to book in for a test drive, please feel free to call us on 0118 971 1799.